worn with various accessories and embroidery with colorful threads which represent animals, plants, and the sun. All embroideries are made with the Bulgarian word "chevitsa." These two particular costumes, you can see these embroideries in the full of life in the Rusu, which symbolize long life, family, well-being, and strength. The woman's nakya in front of you is used before the wedding day of the girl. And womanhood. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulgaria! Last but not least, from the Philippines, the Barong Tagawa and the Filipiniana. The Filipiniana features the butterfly sleeves, a distinguishing feature. These are puff sleeves set high on the shoulder and are wide and round. The Barong Tagalog is worn during formal occasions and official events, symbolizing Filipino identity and heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines! PWU Cultural Byways also features works of PWU faculty and Bayanihan senior performing artist Neo Morris Lavilia. This collection features the modern Filipiniana or the modern Filipina that highlights Muslim-inspired accents, promoting unity and diversity while celebrating the empowering Filipina. This is a perfect balance of grace and contemporary flair. The intricate Muslim-inspired accents pay homage to Leo Aurelia's hometown, but more importantly, to his mother who has become his inspiration. The accents speak of resilience, beauty, and spirituality, values instilled and embodied in his drawings. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all appreciate the collection of Leo Aurelio. Once again, this features the modern Filipina that highlights Muslim-inspired accents, promoting unity and diversity while celebrating the empowered Filipina. This has a perfect balance of grace and contemporary flair. The intricate Muslim-inspired accents pay homage to Leo Aurelia's hometown, but more importantly, to his mother as the inspiration. We would like to thank Philippine Women's University for hosting today's Fiesta Folkloriada activities. From this morning's culinary exchange with PW School of Hospitality Management, headed by Dr. Efraim Abadiana, and tonight's performance and cultural byways, headed by the PW Campus Life Office. Once again, I am Zoe, and thank you for joining us for the celebration of the 18th Fiesta Comparada here at the Philippine Women's University. Mabuhay and good night, everyone. For a few reminders, the closing ceremony will be at Lawn B, Luneta Park on Friday, December 6, 6 p.m. We would like to thank our hosts and partners, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, Bayanihan Folk Art Foundation Inc., National Commission for Culture and Arts, Federation of International Dance Festivals or DAF, Philippine Women's University, Ateneo de Manila University, TESDA for the Technical Education and Skill Development Authority, Luzon ng Manila, the Philippine Department of Tourism, National Parks and Development Board, Rizal Park, Manila, sponsored at the park, Manila Heritage House and Library,